Standard 8 Maths Chapter 5 Data Handling. Hello everyone. So in last video we have discussed up to question number 3 of 5.2. Now it's question number 4. Exercise 5.2 question number 4. So what it says that joining pie charts give the marks score in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Maths, social science and science. If the total marks obtained by the student were 540, answer the following question. So there is a pie chart given, and in this case for different subjects, like 5 subjects are there: English, Maths, SST, Science and Hindi. And their central angle is also given, and what else is given, that is total marks. So we have to calculate individual subject marks by using the central angle of the concerned subject and total marks. Now see, this is 90 degree, this is for maths, okay, this is 55 degree, this is for English, this 70 degree, it's for Hindi, 80 degree for science, and remaining 65 degree for social science or SST. And total marks obtained by student are, total marks obtained by students are 540. Now before answering the question, first what we do, we will calculate individual subjects mark, okay, like how many marks he has got in Hindi or in English, okay. So how we will calculate? Now as you know that this complete angle, this is 360 degree, okay. So what is that? This 360 degree, these have been divided into different sectors which are represented by different central angles for different subjects. Now these 360 degree is the total angle, and these 540 marks are the total marks. So what it means, these 360 degree central angle represent 540 marks, okay. So 1 degree will represent this much marks, okay. So this is 9 6 are 9 4 are. Further it is 3 2. Okay. So 1 degree represent 3 upon 2 marks. Now how will calculate? For calculating maths, marks of maths, this is how many degree? 90 degree, and 1 degree equals 3 by 2 marks. We will directly multiply. So it is 45, and this is 135 marks. So marks of maths are 135. Similarly, English, we will just multiply this angle by 3 by 2. It is 165 upon 2. It comes out to be 82.5 marks. For maths it is 135. For English it is 82.5. Similarly, Hindi, 70 degree into 3 by 2, it is 105 marks, okay. For science, this is 80 degree. Again we will multiply by this 3 by 2. It comes out to be 120 marks. And last it is SST. It was 65 degree into 3 by 2. This is 195 by 2. It comes out to be 87.5. Now if you add these marks like maths, this English, this Hindi, this science or this SST, you will come total will come out 540. Now we have marks of individual subjects. Now we will answer the questions. So first part is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? So 105 was for Hindi. So for Hindi he has scored 105 marks. How many more marks were obtained by student in mathematics than in Hindi? So how many more marks were there? In maths, he scored 135. In Hindi, he has scored 105. So difference between maths and Hindi marks are 135 minus 105. This is 30 marks. Okay, he has scored 30 more marks in maths as compared to Hindi. Now third question. Examine whether the sum of marks obtained in SST and maths is more than science and Hindi. So we have to see whether marks obtained in SST and maths, that is SST plus maths, is more than marks obtained by science and science plus Hindi. So SST and maths is 135 and SST we have 87.5. So what is the total? It is 2. For SST and maths, marks are 222.5. Now for science and Hindi. For science we have 120 marks. For Hindi we have 105 marks. So total comes out to be 225. Okay. So combined marks of SST and math is not greater than marks of science and Hindi. Okay, I hope this is clear how we have proceeded with the question. So we will see for next question. You have to calculate individual subjects mark so that it will become easy for you. Now next question or the last question of this exercise. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. So we have language and we have number of students who are speaking different. This is number of student. Okay. So we have languages are Hindi, English, then we have Marathi, then we have Tamil, Bengali, number of students who are speaking, like for Hindi it is 40, for English it is 12, for Marathi there are 9 students, for Tamil there are 7 and for English there are 4 students. The total there are 72. So we have to draw this data in a pie chart. So as I have explained earlier, for drawing the data in a pie chart, what you need? You need the central angle. So we will calculate the central angle for each of the language. Now how to calculate the central angle? Central angle for Hindi will be the number of students who are speaking Hindi, that is 40, upon total student, that is 72, into complete angle of a circle is 360. So it is 360 degrees. So we will cancel out this. This is 5 and 40 into 5 is 200 degree. So the central angle for Hindi is 200 degree. Similarly, we will calculate for this English. It is central angle for English will be number of students who are speaking English upon total number of students into 360. Again it is, this is, so 12 5 is 60. This 60 degrees is central angle for English. Similarly, Marathi it will be 9 upon 72 into 360. It is 45 degree. And Tamil it will be 7 upon 72 into 360. It is 35 degree for Tamil. And Bengal it will be 4 upon 72 into 360 degree. So it is 5 with 20 degree. So these are the central angle for different subjects. Now we will draw these. So first we will draw a circle. So there is a, we will draw the dotted line. This basically this is a diameter. So from this point we will put our protector here and we will draw first 200. So this is a baseline of the protector. Okay, you will find some D like structure like that. So this is the baseline and this complete line will be of 180 degrees. So 200 degree will be slightly more than this. Okay, it will be slightly more than this line. So this whole angle will be 200 degree. You can use a protector so it will come more here. So this is for Hindi. Now this 60 degree. Okay, from this as base you can draw, or you can take this line as baseline. You will draw 60 degree. This 60 degree will be English. Now 45 degree will be somewhat like this. This is 45 degree and this is for Marathi, and 35 degree. When you use a protector it will be more clear. This is Tamil and this remaining 20 degree will be your Bengali. So this way you have to draw the pie chart. So use a protector for drawing this chart. Okay. So this is the end of this video, and next topic, that is last topic of this chapter, that is probability or chances, we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.